In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Honeychrome extension in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started and transform your online shopping experience with some savvy saving techniques. First things first, we'll open up our preferred internet browser. Navigate to your search engine and type in Chrome Web Store. This process is straightforward, but make sure you are using the Google Chrome browser for the best compatibility since it provides a seamless extension management experience. Once you hit search, you'll see a list of results. You'll want to click on the first link or any link labeled with the URL chromewebstore.google.com. This is the official Chrome Web Store, where you can find various extensions to enhance your browser's capabilities. With the Chrome Web Store loaded up, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. Here, you'll type in Honey. The search results will populate immediately, showcasing the Honey extension. Honey is a popular tool that automatically finds and applies coupon codes to your online purchases, providing savings without the hassle. Locate the Honey extension from the results, and you'll see an Add to Chrome button located to the right. Once you're ready and have confirmed that this is the extension you intend to install, confidently click that Add to Chrome button. This step initiates the installation process. Almost immediately, a small pop-up will appear on your screen, outlining the permissions that the Honey extension requires to function effectively. These permissions allow the extension to perform tasks like identifying coupon codes and applying them seamlessly during your checkout process. If you're comfortable with these permissions, click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Now that the extension is installed, look out for a new Honey icon to appear in your browser toolbar. This indicates that Honey is now ready to work its magic on your online purchases. The final step you'll need to take is creating a Honey account. This is necessary to kickstart your money-saving journey and ensure that you receive the best offers and rewards from your online shopping activities. Creating an account is simple and only takes a few moments. You'll input some basic information, and just like that, you'll be all set to start saving with Honey. With your Honey account active, you're equipped to experience smarter shopping. With Honey's vast array of savings options, you'll soon find that a world of deals and discounts is just a click away. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Honeychrome extension. Now every time you shop online with your Chrome browser, you'll be greeted with the possibility of savings. Happy shopping and happy saving with Honey.